You and I, in a battlefield, found a crate that was concealed. Lifted the lid, what did we see? An MG42, pristine and free. I pulled the bolt and gave it a go. The barrel's heat began to glow. If you've got ammo, I've got flair. For 99 Maschinengewehrs. 99 Maschinengewehrs. Screaming loud, they pierce the air. 1,000 rounds, a single burst. The belt-fed fury quells my thirst. From bunkers high to trenches deep, its rattling sound won't let you sleep. Legends told and we declare, all hail the MG's blazing flare. Built for speed, its war's drum beat. Firing fast, it can't be beat. A squad's delight, the enemy's fear. The buzzsaw song is crystal clear. Carry it high or mount it low, from Normandy to Moscow. With every click I feel the stare of 99 Maschinengewehrs. 99 Maschinengewehrs, turning tides through dust and flares. The iron beast in wars and howls, through forest thick or urban sprawls. The battlefield becomes a storm of tracer lights and shrapnel swarms. History whispers everywhere, respect the MG's devilish glare. Wars are fought with fearsome tools. This gun rewrites the battlefield rules. They tried to stop, they tried to run, but the MG laughs, it's never done.